Hello! Today we're going to be learning how to make a granny square. I'm going to be using the Mainstays yarn from Walmart. It's a sparkle acrylic yarn. It's a category 4 weight. The recommended hook size on this is 5.5, but I'm going to be using a 6.5 millimeter hook. So let's get started. I'm excited to use this yarn. So first what we're going to do is we're going to start off by making a slip knot. We're going to yarn around. Leave yourself a big enough tail. And you're going to make this a loose slip knot. The reason why I say loose is because this is going to be your magic circle. That's all a magic circle is a loose slip knot. Demystify that. So hold your ring, pull it taut, and then chain up 3. 1, 2, and 3. And what we're going to do, that does count as your double crochet. Go back in, make 2 more. And then chain 2. And then do the same thing, 3 more into the ring. Okay, and then what you're going to do is chain 1 and do that all over again. So 3 double crochet inside of the ring. Chain 2, set of 3 more. So now you have 2 corners. Okay. So now you have your 3 corners. Then what you're going to do is you're going to chain up 2. 1, 2, and you're going to connect it at the top of that chain. With the slip knot. Oops. Try to make sure you go under both of them, both the loops. Okay, so that's what you have now. Chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, go back in that same hole. Remember, chain 3 does count. So just put 2 more double crochet in there. Chain 2. And then do a set of 3 again right there in that same hole. Actually, my apologies. So we're just going to chain 1 right there. Yarn over. Go into the next corner. And do your set. Your 3 set, chain 2, and a set of 3 again. Chain 2. And I got 1 more. Chain 1. So it's a chain 1 over these 3 right there. go into that corner, do the same thing. And I'll meet you back all the corners. And when you're in that last corner, you're going to do your 3 double crochet, your chain 2, and you're going to connect it with a slip knot to the top of that chain. Chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. That's what you should be looking like so far. You can also close up the middle if you'd like. Get a better look at it. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to go into this corner, so I'll show you. One more time. Your 2 double crochet, chain 2, or chain 1, sorry. Go to the next one. Do your 3 double crochet. Chain 1, go to your corner, and you're going to do your 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet, and I'll meet you back. So that's what your square should be looking like, and just keep going round and round. In the corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, in between chain 1, and then in the spaces do 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then go to your next corner and go as large as you want. And that's how you do a granny square.